Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Today, we're diving into the world of Apple Pay and how you can use it like a virtual credit card for super fast, secure, and easy payments. First, let's make sure you have a card added to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't have any cards added, tap the plus sign. You can then choose to add a debit or credit card. You'll be prompted to either scan your card or manually enter the card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Once your card is successfully added, you're ready to start paying. Look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at participating merchants. It looks like a wave. To pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. This will activate Apple Pay. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Your phone is confirming it's really you. Now, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment reader. You'll see a check mark and the word done on your screen when the payment is complete. Apple Pay uses a process called tokenization, which replaces your actual card number with a unique digital code. This means the merchant never sees your real card details, keeping your information safe and secure. And that's it. Using Apple Pay is a fast, convenient, and secure way to pay, replacing your physical credit card with a virtual one. Enjoy the ease of contactless payments. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips.